Why is it that some people don't feel guilt?
Well, in order for us to feel guilty for something that we've done, we have to be able to resonate with other people's emotional experience. So we know that we've done something, we've for instance pushed somebody over, we've said something to that other person that might make them sad. If we can empathize with how that makes them feel, if we can understand that it can really hurt them physically, it can hurt their feelings, then we're likely to feel bad about it. And we know from neuroimaging studies and also from studies of recent patients that areas of the brain that are involved in emotion processing, such as amygdala or orbitofrontal cortex, are important in these kinds of guilt computations that require us to understand the distress and potential hurt for other people. There is a population of people who clinical and forensic psychologists call psychopaths, who seem to be unable to experience empathy and who also don't appear to feel guilty for the bad actions that they have done. And years of cognitive neuroscience research has shown that those brain areas involved in emotional processing, such as the amygdala and the orbitofrontal cortex, don't function typically in these individuals with psychopathy. So they don't really seem to activate those brain areas to the same extent than typically developing people do. And we know that these sorts of deficits or difficulties are present also in children who have behavioral problems and who lack empathy and guilt, so children who might be at risk for developing psychopathy. So we really think that the reason some people don't feel guilt is that they don't have the capacity to resonate with other people's hurt and distress, and therefore they're not really able to fully compute the harm that they cause to other people.